Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm going to do a walkthrough of the recent book that I made. It's the Under the Stars paper by Country Craft Creations, and I got the 8x8 collection and I used pretty much every single paper. This book is 5x7, yep, with a 1.5-inch spine. It's just a real basic, it only has 2 pages, but I thought I'd walk you through and see how I decorated it. I did make a tag. I had some extra paper, so I didn't want it to go to waste. So this is one of the graphic 45 tags, and I just covered it. I had a die. Just put this little piece in here because I folded the tag up so I'd have a little pocket, have some flowers and some enamel dots, and I have the word hello. And then on the back, I just, again, use some of the extra paper. So whenever you have extra paper, just go ahead and make yourself a little tag that will go with it. So this is another graphic 45 tag. It's the small one, and this is Glamping Queen, but I had 2 flowers from the collection, and I have some twine back there and some leaves in the background. This is popped up on foam dots. The back and the sides are just pretty basic. Just put a little line of those tents in the back. Did some matting, double matting here. Okay, so let me show you the inside. So on the first inside cover, this is a magnetic closure, and when that opens and this comes down, I just put a little leaf there in the corner. I did fussy cut this from the collection, and I put it in the corner there, left it open so I could put a little picture or a mat of some sort. I have a tag punch down here so that they know to lift up. I did not have enough paper to cover the back, so I left those empty. Made a pocket back here. And so there are times where you'll see this paper. I had a graphic 45 collection with some extra paper, and I thought that matched really well. So I used that in some spots in the book too. I was going to put a word right here, but I ended up just fussy cutting that little trailer, and then I didn't end up putting a word there. So then those just come down, and like I said, it's a magnetic closure. So like I said, there's only 2 pages. I left this for a date or something like that. It is on foam squares too. This is a graphic 45 tag, and I did fold it up. And then I just put in one of the cut aparts. Had a decorative punch here. This will flap down. So I glued the punch or the tag on 3 sides so that also could become a little pocket. Fussy cut a tent, put a little bow there on the corner with some twine. And that's that. The 2 pages, have an opening at the top. So I just put what did I put, 4x6? 4x6.5 mats, and I left the back empty, and I have that little tag again, that punch that I have. And I put one of the tags on the left and one on the right. You'll see that in a minute. On the inside, I wanted it to look kind of like a tent, and so I did the angled pockets here, and then I tried to make this look like the opening and fussy cut some things down here. I also incorporated that gusset to be part of the tent. On the inside then, I just have 2 cut aparts. They're the same ones. And then I have 2 mats that have butterflies. So those are mirrored image. And then that background. I thought that was perfect for the tent. And then those just go inside here. And tuck those in. I mainly did those for color. And then again, I have the mat up top. On the other side, I have this little card, and it's behind a belly band, and I had another mat behind that. And then just tuck this card inside there. And I wanted it to go all the way to the bottom. And then the back cover has the double angled pocket. Put a little crocheted flower up at the top. Another cut apart. This is a graphic 45 tag. So there's that. This will open this direction. This was flat. I just added a place for a picture and maybe a date or a little bit of journaling. This is a double like belly band with a pocket on the top of it. so that comes out and you can write on it. And then behind it I have a mat like so. And then this also will open in this way. And I had this kind of plain because I didn't want it to get too bulky. So when I made this pocket, I just made it out of the collection and only did it glued on 3 sides. I didn't put the 1/2 inch gusset. And then a graphic 45 tag. I have a decorative punch here. Place for a date. This is another one of those cards that open. And then I left it open at the top, so I glued it on 3 sides, and I just put a plain mat. There's nothing on that one. I just kind of put this one there. I think I need to narrow it down though. It feels kind of tight. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to narrow this down. Hold on. Do it while I'm thinking about it. There we go. It is pretty tight in there, isn't it? Okay. All right. So then this will, you can open it that way also. And then it just folds right back up. I made the gusset wide enough for the pages that I made that you don't really need a closure. You have plenty of space to add pictures, and you can leave it open on a counter. But that is the Under the Stars collection by Country Craft Creations, and I will be doing a tutorial. It's recorded, I just need to do some editing. So, all right, thank you for watching, and check out the stores. She'll have plenty of paper for you.